Now, today we're going to be using the objective, I can compare fractions using blazing arrows. For many individuals, comparing fractions to find a fraction that's equivalent is always one of the hardest things to do. So by using this small strategy or easy strategy, we'll be able to compare two fractions to see which fraction is larger. So let's look, for example. So we have 2/3 and 4/5. And many times people will say, well, I'm not so sure how to find out which of these fractions is larger. What we'll do is we'll use what is called a blazing arrow strategy, which is one that we were created. And what we do to find the larger value is we multiply the denominator with the opposite numerator. So we'll say 5 times 2 is 10. And then we'll do the opposite. We'll say 3 times 4 is 12. Now, by looking at the top numbers here, we can compare those values and then see which fraction is larger. The fraction with the larger number above it tends to be the larger fraction. So here we have 10, here we have 12. 12 is a larger number. That means the fraction 4/5 is greater than the fraction 2/3. So if we were to rewrite this 2/3 and 4/5, we will know that this is the greater fraction. Let's go ahead and try another one. What if we had 5/9 and 1/3? Here, again, we're going to compare these two fractions to find which fraction is the greater fraction by multiplying the opposite denominator with the numerator. 3 times 5 is 15. Then the opposite denominator with the numerator, 9 times 1 is 9. Then we're looking at both numbers. One number is 15, the other number is 9. Well, 15 is a greater number than 9, which means that 5/9 is a greater fraction than 1/3.